All right, all right. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's affiliate team meeting. What's going on? I hope you all are having a great week this week. We're gonna meet for just a few moments here, just to touch base like we do on every Friday. What's on the agenda is I just want to make some announcements real quick, just to make sure that we are on the same accord. Next thing I want to talk about. Um, the success pattern that we're on, the journey, show you how to make sure that you stay on track and what you should be doing on a daily basis in reference to business. And we'll do a final recap on the metrics, talking about specifics that we need to be hitting every single day to ensure that we stay on the journey to where we want to be. So let's go ahead and get started. If you are watching on fabulousmarketer.com and our private group there, just uh, use the live chat. I'll be looking out for that. If you have any questions, if you're on social media watching, you can use the comment section for any questions or anything that you have. So I will be taking questions all throughout about anything that we're talking about. But we're not gonna hold you up for too long. So let's go ahead and get going. Um, First off, announcements. Real quick, I want to share with you what you should be aware of for this week, for the upcoming days here. Just know that inside of the 4% group, most of us, I would say pretty much all of us, we are um, either customers or members inside of the 4% group or and our affiliates. So some key dates to keep in mind. The next on the 21st, there's two different meetings. First off, we have our next affiliate business system live public webinar event that's going to take place at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So be sure to invite those individuals that you want to invite to that live event. It's another live demo of the affiliate business system. So whereas individuals will be able to see the demo of the affiliate business system, the preview of it, see the actual done for you affiliate business hub, so that they can understand what they'll get their hands on if they purchase that actual affiliate business in the box. Next thing is also on that same day, if you are a part of the affiliate syndicate, which is the private mastermind group inside of 4%, then we have a meeting at 1 o'clock Central, 2 o'clock Eastern on that same day on the 21st. So that's going to be next week is going to be an extremely pivotal week as far as this launch of the affiliate business system is concerned, because of the fact that a lot of things are going to be set up and ready to go. I expect, right after like Thanksgiving on next week, towards the latter part of the week, everything everything to be ready and situated to where it's all of the traffic co-ops and the official like public launch to the masses will start going out. If you're participating in that traffic co-op, you should start seeing a lot of your uh, a lot more results in your business start coming up. You should see some leads coming in. You may even start generating initial sales from that initial launch. But just be prepared. So you want to make sure that you have gone through the affiliate business system and set up everything when it comes to your hub, so that you're ready for that launch and so that you can serve your audience and start building your community and being a person of value in the marketplace. So you have everything done for you already with your affiliate hub that you're going to get inside the affiliate business system. If you hadn't already set it up and launched it, on the 22nd of next week, that's on Wednesday, we're gonna be sure that everybody up until this point that have access to the affiliate business system, we're gonna make sure that everybody is has launched their hub and you will be officially in business. So I know we have new people that are buying the affiliate business system every day now, but we want to make sure on the 22nd though that everything is clear to you, especially us within our network here. I want to make sure I'll be on Friday. Like, let's see, the next time we're gonna meet is gonna be on next Friday. That's gonna be the 24th. So I want to just make sure that everybody has launched, and we're gonna do a Q&A at the time to make sure you don't have any questions because it's going to start picking up. And I want you to be prepared to start serving people to be able to help them launch their affiliate business hub as well. Once we start getting the word out more into the marketplace. So key dates: 21st, be looking out, be participating in that live event. Even, and even if you're just inviting one or two people, or you don't have an email list, or even anybody that you want to invite, I'm sure everybody has somebody like within your, maybe in your Facebook profile, if you have a Facebook group, if you have a YouTube channel, any following that you have whatsoever, of affiliate marketers, that you think can benefit from having an affiliate hub and being able to launch a real business. Any affiliate marketer, you should invite, because most affiliate marketers, as you know, are 96 to 97% are failing, earning between $0 and $100 per month, because not not building business upon a hub. Trying to build that business off of just an affiliate link, sending people to that company website, or sending people to just a funnel. You know the benefit. If you're going through the affiliate business system, you know the benefit of having a hub and establishing your business on that hub. So invite people to start learning about this hub-centric way of doing business. And at the very least, you want to continuously go through that training as well and attend that live event. Even watch the affiliate business system training that individuals receive when they register to take a look at the system. Watch that training and that workshop yourself. Even if you have to watch like the evergreen replay, just to get familiar with how this hub centric model works, so that you understand it to the point to where you can actually create content around it, and you can start sharing it with people, and you can start giving others understanding of how this hub centric way of doing affiliate marketing works, because it's a game changer. It's totally new. It's the future of affiliate marketing, and it's for us. It's the present, and because of eStage, which is that hub building software that was created by the 4% group in Vic Stryzus, we have something that's unique. I'm telling you, in the marketplace. This hub builder is going to allow you to get results in your business that you've never been able to get before. Meaning, you'll be able to do these main things. Before I start getting off into this rant, I want to make sure that you're still with me here. Let me pop back on the screen here a little bit, so I can talk to you, because those announcements are pretty much up. But the main things that I'm saying that you'll be able to do, you're after success in your business. The first thing is you want to be able to launch your business. Okay, so you're going to use that affiliate business system that you have access to in your 4% account to launch your business. Once you launch your business, now you want to start producing results. Results is money in your bank account, right? How do you get to, you want profits? The profits is going to come from the commissions that you're generating. And when you're generating more revenue, more commissions than what you're spending to produce that revenue, then you get into profit mode. The hub-centric business model allows you to get into profit mode a lot faster, because it's a lot more cost effective. You can operate your business more cost effectively with the hub. You can generate more sales at a lower cost, because you don't have to put as much cost into creating a customer, into converting a customer, attracting and converting a customer. That doesn't cost as much as if you were trying to do it just strictly through a funnel, or just sending somebody to a company through an affiliate link only. That is extremely costly in time and money. But the hub centric model is an extremely profitable way of doing business. So learn it, spend time with it, and start sharing it with others. Start sharing your understanding, so you can become attractive and magnetic in the marketplace to people. That's what the fabulous marketer is all about. That's what I want to share with you all and teach you to be fabulous in your marketing. Marketing is just simply connecting a person with a problem to a solution. You're meeting needs in the marketplace. And the fabulous way in which you do it is because you are positioning yourself to be of value. and then you're delivering that value to people in the marketplace. So remember this formula right here when it comes to your success in your business. And that's how I started this off. Money in your bank account, commissions, profits, right? The success, the money, the profits and commissions is gonna be a result of your success. Your success comes about because of these three S's. All right. First, success comes from, I'm a reverse engineer. Success comes from sales, right? Because if the indicator of success is the commissions you have and the profits. Money cannot be generated without the sale of a product or service. So sales in your business, you have to have sales. But in order to get to sales, you have to be able to serve people, because the sales are going to come from people. It's going to come from customers. People are not just going to give you money. You have to serve them. You have to help them solve a problem. You have to help them meet a need. And we as a community are helping other affiliate marketers to be able to make money online. Affiliate marketers include network marketers, anybody that's selling somebody else's product and wanting to do it on the internet. This is who we can help. All right, we can help them establish their business to the point to where they can sell someone else's product as an affiliate of a product that they didn't create, that they don't own, that they're just simply promoting. And you can do that successfully as a long-term sustainable business. Now, if a person is trying to do that with just that affiliate link alone, but they don't have any home base, no business to online, they don't have a place of business online. Not talking about that hub or even just a static website. I'm talking about a hub. If they don't have that, it's tough to be able to. In fact, not even tough. It's impossible for you to even function as a business because you don't have one. But with that hub in place, now you can serve people. You can help people solve their problems because you are able to effectively provide people with the information, the content that they need to be able to make buying decisions, to develop a trust in you, to follow, to be a part of your community, to engage you, to get to know you, and that type of relationship building that you are able to do through your hub is cost effective and is extremely valuable in your business because of the trust and the connection you get to build with your prospective buyers. Because of that, those buyers are going to be responsible for the many sales that are going to come into your business, and it's going to start at your hub. And from your hub, those buyers are going to be referred to the companies you want to refer them to through the affiliate link. This is where the affiliate link comes into the picture. So sales are going to come from service. And then the service is going to be as a result of your skills. All right, that's the three S's. So skills plus service plus sales is going to lead to success in your affiliate business. The skills that I'm referring to it's a combination of what we go through on our Sunday, Monday, Tuesday success training within the Fabulous Marketing System. That's learning about the mindset. That's those principles we talk about. The skill set, learning about the skills needed to be able to have a successful affiliate business. Remember those 5 components within your business. You got your hub, then you have hub content, you have hub traffic, you have hub sales, and then you have hub money. All of those 5 components requires certain skills and certain tools. All right. So all of those things is a part of you becoming skillful, more valuable, so that you can properly serve people. When you don't work on your mindset and your skill set and your tool set, then you make yourself less valuable to people. So you're not able to serve them at a higher level. And remember, one of the principles that we go over is your level of service that you provide to customers is going to determine the level of income that you can generate. Same thing when it comes to value. The level of value that you provide to your customers is going to determine the amount of income that you can generate. So the more valuable you become, will allow you to now serve people and generate more sales in your business, which is going to ultimately lead to to your consistent commissions and profit in your business. All right, so with that being said, I'm gonna move on now, and the final piece that I want to cover with you is not just talking about these metrics when it comes to leading up to profits and success in business, but I want to talk about the actual things we want to evaluate. So what I want to share is these. I want to remind you about these metrics real quick here. So this is the metrics that we talked about in the last meeting last week. We talked about content. This is the measurables. What you measure is what you can manage. What you measure is what you can actually improve upon. What you measure is what you value. You're showing that you care about it. So the things that's measurable within our affiliate business are these components right here. We have our content and the eyeballs that we get on our content. That's extremely important. This promotional content is it's like, remember, I always tell you to think of yourself as a media conglomerate. You're a publisher. You publish content. It's important to publish content. The content that you publish is based upon the value that you can deliver in the marketplace. That's your fabulousness. All right. So you being fabulous is that value. What is the problem that you're helping people to solve? That's without you, then that problem can't be solved. You got to think of it like that. Affiliate marketers out there will not be able to establish for themselves a profitable business online. They won't be able to generate consistent sales, consistent income, and profits without you and the value that you can bring to them. So your content has to reflect that. What are you talking about in your content? Are you generating content? First off, like where there's video, where there's articles, written content, where there's audio content, podcasts, or just audio clippings, where there's sight unseen, like faceless videos, or reels, whatever, however you want to do it, but whatever content that you can do and you can do well and confidently, then this is the type of content that you want to use in your promotional efforts. This is what you want to put out there in the mass market, like on social media, um, also in the search engines, so that Google can pick up on this content. And then if you develop an email list, this is the type of content you share with your email list as well, which you should be doing that through your hub. That content that you're publishing is eventually going to make its way into being published on your hub, because you want all your content to make its way to your hub, because this is your central place of business. It's the control uh, place of all your marketing. It's where all your marketing flows to and from. So content is going to be a tool of yours. Now, the eyeballs that are going to get on reach your content, you want to invite people from your mass content to your hub, so that they can become a visitor now on your hub pages and start engaging the content on your hub. And this is going to be through like your funnel pages, through your blog pages, through any type of courses, with the course pages that we have on our hub, the webinar pages we have on our hub. All of those pages are going to allow us to be able to allow people to consume the content that's going to point them in the direction that they need to go in to solve their problem. So visitors is key. What kind of content are you producing? How many eyeballs or views are you getting on your content? How many visitors are you getting on your hub, on the pages of your hub, specifically on the opt-in pages or the lead capture page for whatever core product that you're promoting. If affiliate business system is the core like course or product that you're promoting as your main lead in or introductory like offer on your hub, then you want to send people to that lead capture page for that product. And you want to be able to track the progress. How many visitors are coming to that page every single day? Because in your content, you don't want to send people all kinds of places. You want to direct people to a certain location on your hub, not just your hub in general, not just to your homepage, even though the homepage is set up to be able to convert because it's going to direct individuals to a certain product solution. Specifically, you should be directing people to the affiliate business system so that they can get their hub set up, because that's the most value that we can offer to affiliate marketers. From our entire hub, we can help them develop a hub of their own, to have their own business hub. That's what we want. And then from there, there's other like ancillary products that can be added on to help contribute to the whole overall offering that we provide through our hubs. So track your visitors. Next thing you want to do is you want to track the leads. What leads do we have that are being converted from our opt-in pages? Then next we want to track how many sales are being converted. Like how many sales are being converted? What's the conversion rate? And like how many customers are we bringing into our community? Or even not just buying customers at this point, but how many prospective buyers are wanting to come into our community to build a relationship with us, attend our events? How many people are starting to resonate with you and follow you consistently? This is what you want to know as well. Community is going to be the difference maker with your business. So you want to make sure that you're tracking your community and getting feedback from your community and meeting with your community. And that's what this is all about, to get feedback. To even if you have no one participating, you know, you show up and you provide information, content, direction, and those that resonate are going to start to gain benefit from it and start to implement it and show up as well. And then it's going to start to grow. But as long as you're there, it's your vision, it's your business. So you have to show up before anybody else can commit to you. You have to commit to yourself and to your own business. So the last metric you want to track is your commissions. What is it? Are you hitting your daily commissions? If you're not reaching your daily content and impressions and visitors and leads and sales, then you're not going to hit your daily commission amounts and you're not going to become profitable. So all of these are like building blocks and they depend upon one another. So the most important though foundation is your content, and your content will not be consistent. It's not going to be genuine, present, and on display if your mindset is not what it needs to be, if you are not developing your skill set and you're not learning about how to utilize the tool set that's all important to advance your business. So you have to work on you constantly. Working on you is a daily routine. Like Jim Rohn says it all the time about uh how and he was more so making reference to the job. As an employee, you're not going to work harder on your job than you do on yourself, because the only way you can advance, and this is the same with your business, you're not going to work harder on your business than you do on yourself. The only way for you to advance in anything in your business as an employee, an entrepreneur, it doesn't matter, it's going to be based upon your value, because it is your value that's going to determine, and when I mean value, what kind of problems can you help solve in the marketplace? It's the problems that you can help solve is going to determine your level of pay, your effectiveness as an entrepreneur, as an employee. Your value is important. And the more valuable you become, you're going to develop more posture, more confidence, and you'll be able to, content won't be an issue then, because you're going to feel great and knowledgeable and confident about what it is you're doing. When you start taking action on what you're learning and what you get exposed to, then your experience level is going to grow, your confidence, your expertise, all of those things are going to start to develop. And as you start sharing your progress with others, then you're going to start to attract people. You're going to start to become more attractive. you're gonna start to even your confidence is gonna grow as a result of the action you're taking. But people are gonna start to notice. They're gonna gravitate to that because that's what they want. That's who they want to be. That's who they want to follow. So you have to become success before you can see success. Success is going to come to you because of who you are. So your content is going to reflect you all day, every day. And all 80% of your business is going to be you, is your mindset. You are your business. The 20% is just the mechanical side of things, all the stuff that people think is the most important part. Like, just tell me what to do to get the money. That's all. Tell me what to do. How can I get the traffic? How can I? Well, it's all based on you. And if you're a person that seems desperate and you're just willing to do any and everything to try to get money, or people are not going to trust you because they see that you're in it for all the wrong reasons. So they're not going to want to spend their money or follow your direction and take your recommendations. If they see how you're building your business, they want to see themselves in you. And so what are you projecting? How are you projecting yourself? So, all right. So the last thing I want to do before I'm on my rant, I call this just the sales rant today, right? So I want to just show you an example of tracking these things because within eStage, which is the hub builder that we're using, a great tool has been made available to us. All right. You might know about it, but you might not yet. Um, so it's a tracking tool within your hub builder, and it's within the marketing funnel section of your hub builder. So I want to show you what that looks like. So let me open that up so I can show you. All right, so take a look at this. So inside of your hub builder, so I just entered the hub builder section of my hub, and you go up to the top at the admins and modules section right up here on the top right. When you click on that, on the far left hand side, you see under project settings, you're gonna see an option. If you continue to scroll down, you see the last bold component within the menu area is marketing funnels. When you click on that, this is the section where you can actually take a look at your stats, and you can look at like how many visitors are visiting your lead capture page for affiliate business system, for example. Now you can set up any type of funnel inside of this funnel builder right here so that you can track any funnel. But right now, the main funnel and the only funnel as of now that's available within our affiliate business system is for the affiliate business system. So you want to track how many visitors that you are attracting to your affiliate business system registration page. Okay, your content that you're putting out is designed to attract people who are wanting what this affiliate business system can offer. And that is a done for you affiliate business, an affiliate hub, a system, which is just a business system basically, but it's run on a hub. So for those individuals that's interested in launching for themselves an affiliate business through a business hub and want to do it in 7 days, that's what this uh, affiliate business system can help do. So you want to tell people about it and then invite them to register to get a live demonstration or to just invite them to learn more about this affiliate business system and direct them to your registration page for the workshop. And that workshop might be the live one or it might be just the evergreen version that you can now direct people to. But the way you can set it up is, you know, you can basically from wherever you want to get traffic from. So this is an example of traffic sources on your left. So your traffic source will be mostly like social media, Google, email, all of these sources that you see. It might be if you had a group of affiliates, an affiliate program of your own, if you had your own product, then you would have affiliates for your product, and that's a traffic source for you. So like 4% Group, they have their own products. It's an online education company, so they have courses. Affiliate Business System is one of those. Um, it just occurred to also have an actual software that's a part of that course. So it's more of an implementation guide. It's not just a course, but regardless, it's their products and they have affiliates for their products. So that's a traffic source. But for you and I as affiliates, we don't have our own product, right? So we want to go through like these other traffic sources, Facebook, YouTube, like just a link from another source. Like maybe we are doing like the co-op, for example. We getting traffic through some kind of specific platform, and we have a certain link, a tracking link for that particular like platform. Let's say Udemy. Let's say using Udemy for solo ad traffic. Well, we would just put the link that we're using to drive traffic from Udemy to this registration page right here. Then we can track that specific source. If we're using AdWords from Google AdWords to get traffic from Google, then that would be a source. Instagram, email, traffic directly from your email list that you're building. You want to track like how many people are coming from your email, because maybe your email list is not developed from individuals who are interested in affiliate business system, but they're an email list for some kind of other offer, or that you generated some kind of other way, maybe from a former company or something like that, and you want to now introduce that email list to affiliate business system, so you can send the send an email to invite your email list to come and check out the affiliate business system to register for that workshop training. So regardless, you pick your traffic source, you drop it in here, and then you drop in the page, and it's simple. Like when you start setting it up, like this is just my affiliate business system live event funnel that I set up for tracking purposes only. So I drop the page right here, then I drop the second page inside the funnel, which is the confirmation page after they opt into the registration page, and then the final page is the page where the live event takes place. So these are the three pages in the funnel. And so the first part of this though is the traffic source. So I have a specific link. So if I click on this link, you're going to see to the left the promotional link is provided. So this is a specific tracking link just for that I can use on Facebook when I want to invite individuals from Facebook. So we want to use this link on Facebook, but I don't use this long traffic source link because it's just so clunky and long, and it's awkward looking because it has all of the codes at the end of it. So what I do is I actually forward, like I add this to a forwarding uh, web address. I just purchase a separate domain, and then I forward all of the traffic that comes to uh, that domain name. I forward it to this particular promotional link. But all you see is the domain name. So I use just pretty much like a pretty link. I don't know if you're familiar. Maybe there was this. I remember when I was once using WordPress, there was this add-on. What you call those little add-ons? I forgot. But anyway, it was just these add-ons that you can add to your WordPress, and then one of them was called Pretty Link. And the name of those things, I hadn't used WordPress in so long because I've been using eStage and building a hub instead of a instead of a WordPress. So I forgot all about the terminology with that. But anyway, the Pretty Link was one, and they had some other like Pretty Link builders as well, where you can have a short link. So anyway, you can just simply have a domain name through like GoDaddy or Namecheap or whatever. And if you go to the link beneath the video here on fabulousmarketer.com, if you're not watching on social media and on my hub, you're watching, you can see the resource page. And on the resource page, you'll see you can access Namecheap and just go and get your domain, because you got to do it for your hub anyway. So you know what to do already if you already got your hub set up. So just get you another domain name, and you can even utilize like a subdomain. Like if you don't want to purchase another domain name, which you'll be buying it for like $9 a year, I would suggest getting a separate domain name and just use it for promotional efforts. But if you want to use a same domain name that you already have and create a subdomain, you can do that. It's just easier and more clean when you have just an actual domain name. And you can just like attach your promotional link to that domain name. It's only provide the domain name that's attached to this particular promotional link in your promotional efforts. So when you go on Facebook or um, wherever, if you go on Facebook or YouTube or wherever, you can maybe even have that domain name for all your promotions. And then you can have a subdomain for each traffic source. So for example, let's say one of my domains is hubmastery.com, and it leads to my affiliate business system registration page. So if I'm on Facebook, I'm going to do a subdomain like fp.hubmastery.com. And that way, that particular domain, that subdomain is attached to this promotional link for Facebook. So whenever traffic comes in from Facebook to this registration page, see this number here, it says 239 unique. So it's telling me these 239 unique visitors to this page came from Facebook because it tracked it from the link. Now, if I did, like if I added like YouTube as a source, I could do a subdomain like yt.hubmastery.com and have a subdomain for all my traffic coming from YouTube so that I can see now, okay, out of the traffic visiting this registration page, I had this certain amount of visitors from Facebook, this amount from YouTube, this amount from my email list, and it on and so on and forth. And then when they leave from registration and they become a lead, and they reach the confirmation page, it's going to show how many of those individuals became a lead, and then I'll be able to see from which one of the sources that provided visitors, which one of those actually became a lead. And then I can see most of my leads are coming from YouTube or Facebook, and then I can get smart and see and make certain decisions with my business. So, for example, let's take a look at a great example of that. So, see with this one, I have several different sources set up. So, I have YouTube and I have my email list, I have Facebook, I have my hub, just the general, those landing on the home page of my hub, fabulousmarketer.com. And then I also have a link to my blog that's on my hub. So because I have traffic that's being sent to my blog to serve my audience, whenever they leave my blog and go to my capture page for affiliate business system to register for the workshop, I'm going to know they came from my blog or Facebook or email or YouTube or or my hub, my home page or any page on my hub. So for example, right here, let me see if I can enlarge this a little bit. All right, so you can see just an example. So I have uh, out of all of the, let's see here. So out of all of the visitors that came to my live registration page since I set this up, it's telling me I have 55 that came from my hub directly on one of my hub pages, 5 from YouTube, 1 from my email, 20 from Facebook, 1 from my blog, and that is the makeup. Uh, so from there, 10 of those individuals, so that's like 75, 81, 82 unique visitors. And from those 82 unique visitors, 10 of those actually opted in and became a lead on my email list. So that's 12% of all of the visitors became a lead. Okay, so I want to see out of those that became a lead, where did they come from? So I click on it and I look on the left side here, and it's telling me out of those 10, 1 was from my email list, 1 was from Facebook, and then 8 of those was directly from my hub's homepage, those that landed on the homepage. So that's telling me, okay, more leads are being converted from my homepage. And more visitors also came from my homepage as well. As you see, 67% of the visitors on my registration page came from my hub. So, and then from those 10 who became leads, 2 of those 10, which is 20% of my leads, now actually went to the live event page. They visited the live event page to attend the live demo and workshop. So, and I can even see, okay, well, from those 2, where did they come from? And look at that. Which is showing me I have 5 actually, but only 2 of those 5 was actually from those 10 leads. The others maybe went directly to the live event from some kind of other avenue that I didn't get from my tracking. But there was 5 unique visitors. So anyway, I just wanted to give you an idea of how that works, because when we talk about metrics and how all the metrics work for us, we have to become more specific and do things on purpose. So I'm gonna stop sharing. So we have to go in and utilize our hub, utilizing the functions available in our hub builder, and track our marketing. Use that funnel builder tool I was just showing you, and get yourself a traffic link so you can track your traffic, and know that whenever you're doing all of this content on social media and everything, and you're directing people to your lead capture page or opt-in page for whatever funnel you're using, then you can actually see where they're coming from. You can know what's working for you and what's not working for you. You can know, okay, well, am I getting the amount of visitors to this lead capture page that I need to get every single day? Because you're not going to expect to get to a certain amount of commissions just by accident. The commissions are going to come because of the sales. Look at this. It's a pattern. It's a pattern. It doesn't occur by coincidence or by accident. Look, the commissions are going to come because of your sales that you generate. And the amount of customers that you have too can help you with that. That's the only thing that would like start to work on your behalf and start to like allow you to supersede the typical metrics that you will be tracking, because of the fact that you build a community of customers, and those customers can now purchase multiple times at any given time. But other than that, you want to track your sales and start to, of course, build your community of customers. But your sales are going to come because of your leads. Those individuals that become a part of your email list, they're going to be the main ones that get introduced to like the products that you're recommending. These are just transactions in your business. You don't want to build just a transactional business, but you also want to understand that transactions have to occur. So track the transactions, build the community, serve the customers, but track your transactions that occur as a result of you building the community and serving your customers. Understand the amount of sales that's our commissions coming in is going to be because of the sales. The sales coming in is because of the leads. The leads coming in is going to be because of the visitors that's coming into your capture page. And then the capture page is going to be capture page visitors are going to be as a result of the content that you're publishing out there to the masses and inviting to your capture page. So if you're not sending out invitations to people to come to your capture page and learn about what you're offering, then you shouldn't expect visitors. If you don't have visitors, you shouldn't expect leads. If you don't have any leads and you're not building a list, then you shouldn't expect any sales, because you're not positioning yourself to be able to share what you're selling with people who have already told you that they're interested. Most people try to shortcut this process and just do content in the mass and try to get a sale directly, sending people directly to the company order page or that affiliate link and hoping people just buy without serving people, without gaining a visitor to their hub, because most don't have a hub. So you all you could do is send them to your funnel. But imagine if your funnel was on your hub. And because people that don't become a lead and they visit your hub, but they don't opt in, well, you still can serve them. You can, because they can always come back to your hub. They can go to other areas of your hub. They can visit your blog now. They don't have to stay on your funnel. And if they become a lead, you don't have to keep sending them back to the sales page and back to your affiliate link over and over and over and over again. You can invite them to your blog. They can learn about you can provide some additional content. You can provide them with a course that they can go through free of charge. You can invite them to an event such as like this and other events you might have. So many things you can do to serve your audience before the sale. So connect before you refer and expect a sale. This is going to improve your metrics and allow you to have better conversions and more transactions. All right, so my rant, my friends, is over. I hope you got value from today's training. I'm going to put an end to this, and I will see you in the next event. I'm going to check to just make sure I didn't miss out any questions or anything from anybody. I don't see anything, but if you got any value from this, if you want something specific from me, if you're having trouble with anything, if you have any ideas or anything, best practices, how is your metrics going? How are you progressing? Have you set your goals for each one of those metrics? Have you done any of that? Talk to me. I want to hear from you. But I hope to see you throughout the trainings, throughout the week, going into next week and leading up to our next Friday team meeting. But in the meantime, go out, continue to be fabulous, and I'll see you somewhere on the internet or in the training room, right? All right, be fabulous.